Chocolate.
Stop it! I'm recording. I didn't even know that. Stop! Break your fingers. Nara! I love you too. Ew, that's in like slow motion. I think I just stepped in it. I remember when I went in there with Jimmy and he tried to get me to kiss him.
He tried to get me to kiss him like the week after I met him.
Ugh! This kid. Oh, Jesus. Oh my. Jesus. I see you. Oh Lord, bend over. Oh, there you go.
You love when I bend over, Dad.
I know. I can't see.
No.
Ugh.
I'm gonna break that.
Guys.
Stop videotaping us.
No.
Why are you naked?
I'm not naked.
Why are you have no clothes?
I have clothes.
Why are your tits popping out?
They're not. I put them away. Hey, at least I show mine. Oh, sexy.
You don't have anything to show. You're so skinny.
Oh, that would